Hi, fifth graders. Hi, Rayana, Julia, Ava, Liliana. Hey, Brooklyn. Hey, Matthew. Hey, Stella. I miss you all so much. I hope you guys are comfortable and at home. This is day 4 of e-learning. Got my new headband on. I gotta tell you, some of these are really old. I didn't realize I had them still. So, I'm hoping that homework yesterday went okay. Again, if it didn't, reach out to me. Send me an email, send me a text, give me a call. I am happy to talk you through it, okay? I've been talking some of the older kids through some stuff, so I am happy to do it with you too. So today, we've been working with fractions and division. I got my little sign in the background. We've been working with fractions and division. But today is when we look at dividing by a fraction. Yay, math! Yay, yay, yay. I promise it is not as hard as it sounds, and you might end up liking it. Maybe. Okay, so first things first, we start with these two words. They're a little crumbled because I had to re-record because I messed up. Oh, okay. Got the divisor and the dividend. We know these words. They're familiar. Maybe they're a little rusty, but when we are looking at it, got to tilt this now. Okay. Our dividend is here, divided by our divisor, right? So I've got my dividend, that's the top of the fraction, divided by the bottom, right? Or the dividend is the inside of the division, and the divisor's coming through and cutting it up, right? So what happens if I have a whole number like 3 divided by a fraction like 1/4? Get ready. It's going to be fun. Here's the rule. All right. Oh gosh, my hand got stuck. I'm going to stick this up. I'm going to zoom you in. And I'm going to read it to you. Okay. This is the rule we stick by. When you divide by a fraction, flip the divisor, flip the second number, and multiply. Okay. Let me show you how it's done. Okay. All right. So, okay. Let me pause for a second. I'll be right back. All right, I think I'm ready. So we take this. Our dividend will always stay the same, okay? So we take our dividend, we're going to put it here. I made it a little bit smaller because we're going to end up putting that bad boy over 1, okay? Now, I'm going to follow this rule. When you divide by a fraction, you flip the divisor. Flip the divisor. Oh, sorry, my head's in the way. All right, I'm going to fix this so it doesn't look like that, all right? So I flip it. It ends up being 4/1. I wrote it correctly now. Here, let me just use this piece of tape and stick it on top. 4/1, all right? Now, remember with my whole number, I put it over 1, okay? And then, oh boy, I'm going to run off into the wall. Okay, then pretend there's an equal sign. Actually, I can mark an equal sign right here. Then I multiply straight across, okay? Not too bad. Let me pause first. Sorry, you guys didn't need to see me get a piece of tape. So then I'm going to multiply straight across. 3 times 4 is 12. 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, so if I were, let me go back. If I were to divide 3, oh boy, by, okay, by 1/4, I flip my divisor, 4/1, and then I multiply straight across. Okay, so let me show you how to do it on here, okay? I've got 3 divided by 1/4. I have 3 circles right here, and I am going to divide them by 1/4, okay? I'm going to divide them into fourths. Okay, do you see how I did that? I divided it in 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've got 3 of them. So I end up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Okay, I'm going to pause. I'm going to get myself set up on the second one to show you another one, okay? Okay, I'm back and I'm ready. Sorry, I keep getting too close to the camera on that. Oh, guys, I miss you guys so much. All right, so next one. My whole number, my dividend is 2, okay? Divided by 1/12. Okay, can you remember the rule? Remember the rule. When you divide by a fraction, flip the divisor. Remember, the dividend stays the same. So that dividend is 2. Okay, so I've got to flip my divisor. So if I were to take this off, oh gosh, every time I tape it the wrong way, and flip it, it's going to be, well, not 21, don't read it like that. But if I flip it, it's 12 over 1, right? So 12 over 1. Now, I got to tell you, I have a fun little chant that I say, and if you were to go up to any 7th or 8th grader that I've worked with in math, they know this. What we do for our divisor is flip, flip, Philadelphia, right? So what we do is we take this and we flip it. Okay, say that with me. Okay, I know this seems crazy because you're doing it with a computer. Who cares what your brothers or sisters or your parents think? Flip, flip, flip the divisor. Okay, one more time. Flip, flip, flip the divisor. That's what we're working on. So we flipped our divisor. You know I always like to put my whole number over 1. Now we are multiplying straight across. 2 times 12 is 24. 1 times 1 is 1. We are done. Now let me show you how it happens here. I've got 2 big squares. I'm dividing them into 12ths. Okay, so bear with me because this, I'm going to pause and I'm going to show you because this is going to take me a while. Okay, so give me 1 sec. Are we back? Oh gosh, I'm so bad at this. Okay, took me a little bit longer to think about it. So I had 2 squares. You saw that. Then I divided them into 12ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh, good. I drew it out right. So 2 divided by 1/12. Remember, we flip the divisor. So we flip the divisor here and we multiplied straight across. 2 times 12 is 24. I've got 24 squares right here. Yay! Okay, so now I'm going to do it without the drawings, okay? Now, if you're like, I want a couple more drawings like that, reach out to me and I will do some stuff for you, okay? But we're going to kind of go into following this rule and flipping our divisor and multiplying straight across, okay? Give me 1 second, I'll get us set up. Okay, you ready? Here's our next one. 5 divided by 1/6, okay? So when you divide by a fraction, we're gonna flip the divisor, right? So if I'm flipping this divisor, man, I keep forgetting which way the tape's going. It's gonna end up being, now that's not a 9, 6 over 1, right? So dividend stays the same. I put it over 1. Divisor, I flip it. So it's 6 over 1. Now we multiply straight across. Hey, you guys, what is 5 times 6? Oh, come on, we know this. 5 times 6 is 30 over 1, right? Or 30, right? Okay, so I'm going to do the next one on this piece of paper, okay? And if you guys want, pause the video, go get a piece of paper, and we can write these out together, okay? All right, so 4, can you see that? I'm going to move my water bottle up. If it's a little too close to me, I am sorry about that. Okay. Oh, yeah, because my setup is, my camera is leaning against my water bottle. So, all right, so I've got 4 divided by 1/8. Okay, so listen, I'm writing it big because I'm writing it with a marker. You're writing it nice and neat in those lines with your pencils, right? And I guess I can't enforce the pen rule, so if you want to use pen, fine, but make it nice and neat. Okay, so first things first, my dividend does not change, but I'm going to put it over 1, right? Now my second one, I'm going to flip my divisor. So it ends up being, instead of 1 over 8, it's 8 over 1. Now we're multiplying straight across. Good thing you guys have been working on your math facts. 4 times 8 is, oh wow, I can turn the camera a little bit more like that. 4 times 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32. Over 1 equals 32. Yay! Okay, I actually really hope I'm doing my multiplication right, because if I were to make a mistake on this video, I'm already 10 minutes in. I'm not changing it. But if you find a mistake, send me a text or an email or anything like that. I would laugh, and then I'd be a little embarrassed. Okay, here's our next one. You ready? Sorry, my throat went out. 3 divided by 1/3. Okay, let's think through our steps. Dividend does not change. 3 over 1. Divisor, we flip the divisor. So, times it by 3 over 1. Oh, easy peasy. 3 times 3 is 9 over 1 equals 9. Now listen, you could stop doing this. If it's 1 times 1, I don't need to see that part. I know you know 1 times 1. I'm not worried about it. Let me give you one more, okay? Oh, wait, we did that one. Okay, give me a second. I got to turn the page. Okay, I'm ready. 5 divided by 1/9. Okay, think of the steps. You should be able to tell me what the steps are through the computer. Step 1, dividend stays the same. We put it over 1. 5 over 1. Step 2, we flip, oh, wait, where's my hand? Flip the divisor. So we're going to change 1 over 9 to 9 over 1. Okay, then we multiply. So here's the main thing, and let me zoom in. I want to make sure you change the sign from a, oh gosh, I'm way too high. You change the sign from a division to a multiplication, okay? Make sure you do that, because I will say that's like, that's probably a student's biggest mistake. And then I'm like, well, I'll take your answer, but really this needs to change, okay? So 5 times 9, oh, you guys know your 5s. 45, okay? And you can leave it just like that. I hope you guys love this lesson, because I actually really do. I think it's so fun. Also, I love when I get to do my little chants. So, I will be sending a little link for some extra work. Just 10 problems. You guys will fly through it. Give it a try, because I want to keep you fresh. I don't want you guys just watching my face, okay? I want you to try some math too. And remember, if you want to send it to me and I can check it or go over it with you, I am happy to do that. I miss you all. Again, I've been working on my flip grid with multiplication. I know I told you about that yesterday. And luckily, I cleared out, I deleted like 500, probably 500 text messages that I didn't need in my phone. And I deleted a bunch of videos and a bunch of pictures and apps. So hopefully I should be able to record without having to give you 3 videos or 4 videos. I'm so sorry about that. So I miss you all. Hope everything's going okay. Remember to practice your math facts, and I'm going to link up the homework, or, just the work for you to do, okay? All right. And also, remember when I said about an hour? You guys are flying through this math. If you watch this video and do the 10 problems, you will be done in 25 minutes, okay? So, good job. I'm proud of all of you. I know this isn't the easiest. I know sometimes it's the most comfortable. I got my stretchy pants on again, but I know it's not the easiest, but I miss you guys, and I'm so thankful you guys are working so hard. All right, talk to you soon.